Hi, my name is Dr. Neil Stevens. I'm Associate Professor of Technology and Society here at the University of Birmingham. I'm a sociologist, a social scientist, and I'm interested in the cultural politics of cellular agriculture and cultured meat. I've been doing this for a long time now. I started in 2008, and I'm really pleased now to be doing it as part of the CARMA project. The core focus of the research is to understand how people in society, publics, professionals, stakeholders, policymakers think about the technology now and the possible futures that this technology might bring into being. We all live with food. We all, in part, in some way or another, create our own identities through our relationships to food, what we feed our families, our friends, what we choose to eat ourselves. So we want to understand the cultural politics of cultured meat and cellular agriculture. And we do this through a whole range of methods. I personally will be doing a lot of interviews with stakeholders, particularly people who make cultured meat, to try to understand their vision for the future and the challenges and opportunities that they see in that journey. We'll also be conducting a set of focus groups with publics, diverse range of people within the UK, to understand their opinions, to think about food culture and food politics as they live it. And we'll also be doing a set of analysis of media reporting and policy debate of cultured meat to look at how it's framed, what's included, what's emphasised. We really want to make sure that the decisions that are made going forward by policymakers, but also the people that produce cultured meat and broader publics beyond, are informed well, and that key issues around the broader politics are embedded within the research design of producing cultured meat from the early stages. We want to make sure we have quality debate about quality food. If you want to know more, please get in touch.